everyone, my name is Dipakshi and you are watching Square Hub Info. In today's video, we are going to discuss about class 11th and 12th most important topic, that is note making and abstraction. It is one of those topics which obtain most of the marks in our grammar topic in English. Here I am having a picture with you. Take a quick screenshot to revise it with me. So today I will give you and discuss one topic which is from All-in-One class 11, note making and abstraction. So when we talk about notes, what ideas come to our mind? In daily language, notes are something which makes to learn easy something, which makes it easy to understand a topic. So in English, note making and abstraction is an advanced writing skill in which there is a topic given to us, all of the students, and we have to read the topic and make notes. From this topic, we can easily understand how to make notes and they will help us a lot during exams preparation. So here the topic I am having is note making is an advanced writing skill, as I have already told you. In today's video, we have some tips and tricks how to make notes and summary. There are two questions in note making and abstraction. The first question is to make notes and the second one is to write summary. So in first question, in which we have to make notes, we have to read the paragraph carefully, number 1 point. Number 2 point, read and underline with pencil the important or highlighted words when we will highlight it. And the third point is read the highlighted words and make short forms and short words from that. We should keep in mind a thing that our notes and summary should be the writer's main idea. So we have to use abbreviations also. Abbreviations are short forms like I and P for important, EVAL for evaluation, DVPT for development, like this. And some symbols also we can use for effective writing, like we can write plus for positive or plus sign, we can write minus for negative or minus sign, we can write slash for and or. So the next tip I am going to give you is we have to give a title to our notes. Title is very important. First of all, we will read the whole paragraph. Then we will discuss to our mind that what should be title. We can also give title to the end, in the end, after reading whole the paragraph and making the notes, but should be in the top of the notes. You can left a space over there and write it after some time, but don't forget it to write. It will reduce your marks if you will not write, but if you will write the best one title according to you, then you may get 8 out of 8 marks. And after that you should think and write the title, and try to make subheadings and subheadings. In this example, I have underlined some of the lines which are important, and behind that title is given, notes are given, key to abbreviations. Key to abbreviations means this is a help guide for the checker who is checking our exam or something, to make it easy for him to understand the short values, because he or she may not have proper time to read and think of it. So key to abbreviations are required minimum 6 to maximum 10 or 12. Summary. So when we come to summary has a different concept. Summary is just a short paragraph we have to write from the whole paragraph. So in summary, we have to carefully read our notes first, then paragraph given to us, and then make a summary which is the point, or which is the straight way to reach at the writer's idea. For practice you can ask me, I can also give you. I have a lot of practice PDFs, and Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share and like it, and also hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. If you want more videos like this, you can also write in the comment box your requirement, and also follow my Instagram and Facebook channel. The links are in description and here also. Thanks for watching.